All right, this is IGCSE Cambridge questions. IGSE Cambridge. We want to solve this question. It says, in the following questions, make the letter in bold the subject of the formula. So I can see this question here, A. So I want to start with this. I'm looking for the hardest question, so let's solve it. It says square root of A plus 2 is equals to B minus 3 into square root of A minus 2. So make A the subject of the formula. So the second one is make V. Let me take the second question down quickly. It says make V. What is V? It says 1 over F. That's question D. It's equals to 1 over U plus 1 over V. So I'm going to solve these two questions quickly. Just watch as I solve this question. So I'll start with this. It says square root of A plus 2 is equals to B minus 3 plus square root of A minus 2. All right, I put over 1 here. I'm going to multiply this 2. So I'm going to have square root of A plus 2 into times square root of A minus 2 is equals to 1 times B minus 3. That's B minus 3. If you look at these two things, we have difference of two squares. What's the difference of two squares? The difference of two squares says that A squared minus B squared is equal to A plus B into A minus B. That's the difference of two squares. So we'll come and say square root of A all squared minus 2 all squared is equal to B minus 3, right? So let's continue. So square root of A all squared is square root of A times square root of A, which is equals to A. It's like saying square root of 4 all squared. Square root of 4 times square root of 4 is square root of 4 is 2 times 2, and that gives you 4. So the same concept you apply here. It gives you A, and it gives you 2 squared is 4, so B minus 3, right? So A is equal to what? You take minus 4 to this side, becomes B plus 4 minus 3. So A is equals to B. 4 minus 3 is 1. So A is equals to B minus 1. That is what we have done. I've made A the subject of the formula. All right, let's go back to the second question. It says 1 over F is equals to 1 over U plus 1 over V. So quickly, let's do that. 1 over F equals to 1 over U plus 1 over V. So we should make V the subject of the formula. So very simple. I'm going to use two methods. Let me use method 1 so that you can see. So 1 over F is, I'm going to move 1 over U to this side, from this place to this side. So when I move 1 over U here, I'll be left with 1 over V, right? Okay. As you can see, we left 1 over V. So what do? I find the LCM of this, right? Which is FU. F divided F is 1. I'm left with U, and U times 1 is U. And as U divided U is 1, I'm left with F. F times F is F. It's just like saying U divided U is 1. 1 times the F is F. And F times this 1 is F is equals to 1 over V. Do you understand? Okay, so simple. Let's just take it down. We have U minus F over FU. So what is V? We can do this quickly. We can cross multiply. We can do what? We can cross multiply. Have V into U minus F is equals to FU times 1. Multiply this by this and this by this, right? So V into U minus F is equals to FU. We can divide both sides by U minus F, right? So V is equals to Fu over U minus F. So that's how to solve. We've made V the subject of the formula. So it's as simple as that. The second method is just the same way by, it's still the same thing, the way I've done here. So it's not really much. So I think we can stop here. So my name is Mr. Mike. I want you to book my online classes. I'll make my classes as easy as ABC for your kids. I'll be waiting for you online. Thank you so much. God bless you.